Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Southtown Grows, proudly sponsored by me and my wife. Thank you, honey. I know my spending's out of control. I might figure out a way to dial it in. Anyways, today's video, we are talking about traction control. Now on these vehicles, if they don't come with them, they're an absolute nightmare to set up because you're sitting there, you turn the ignition on, you're doing the pedal selection, you're trying to get the traction control disengaged, then you have to start the vehicle in a timely fashion so it doesn't kick out, and then hopefully you don't have to worry about traction control not working. That's ridiculous. We have two companies. We have ESC Tuning and USP Performance, and they make these kits. The one thing I do not like about ESC's kit is they do not have a plug and play option. So you have to use these terrible Scotch locks, which I absolutely hate and I would not use. So I'm not going to, but feel free if you want to, no judging. I don't judge. I just won't use them because they're garbage in my opinion. So I should solder them, but I'm not going to because I'm lazy and my buddy's gonna give me a hard time. I'm gonna crimp them on so they're somewhat permanent. I'm never gonna take this out, so I don't care about making it easy for removal. But I'm happy that we're not gonna cut into harnesses to make this work other than one spot. Better than 4. So, are you excited as I am? Let's get to it. Okay, so now that we're here, we can crawl underneath. I'll throw on the GoPro. We'll take a look at the 2 screws underneath so we can run the wire from this new button to the harness through the firewall. We're gonna try to use old zap strap to see if that's got enough oomph to get us through there. Hopefully it does. And at least it's got enough length so that we can get up near the connector. Once that's all done, we can put this all back together. We can move over to the other side, get power hooked up, and then we can move over to this side where we can connect everything together. It sounds like it's gonna work in my head, but a lot of voices are in my head. You don't listen to all of them, or at least you shouldn't. Let's get to this. Well, what you can do is cut this package open, and you can pull this stuff out here to take a look at what we have. So this red wire here is what we're going to fish through the firewall, and this yellow wire is what we're going to fish to the power on the other side. Okie doke. So we're going to, what you can do is, what I did is you went and found some household wiring, either your house, your neighbor's house, your family's house, you know, just like regular old crackhead, rip it out of the wall and cut it up. I use ground cable, and we're just gonna tape this wire on. Hopefully you can see what that does. Okay, and then try to stuff that through. I need to see if I can find it on the other end. Okay, let's see if we can find it down there. Let's see. I feel like this is not going to be as straightforward in that girls video that I watched earlier. No. There's all this EGR crap in my way. If only I had that removed before I tried to do this job here. Or is that it? Nope. I need to push further. Go further. That Nissan commercial there. I probably need to tape that in too. It's gonna be a problem if I don't. That's it. All right. Hopefully. All right. See if I can see that. I've shoved it in there for ways. I thought I had long enough. Maybe I don't. Oh, there you are. Right behind here. See where that is? So for the people that are like, where the heck does this come out? That's where it comes out. All right, now that we have that wire out, we can go ahead and remove this connector, which I feel like you just pull this, up. So for y'all watching at home, so just pull this tab up here. You see that? And let's pull up. Nope, more. Let's get myself a pulling stick. I got a little, like a large hook. So is that all it is there? Okay, still coming. Good grief, how far does that come up? Oh wow, that's a lot of wiggy. Look, all this EGR garbage. Can't wait till that's gone. Go. Oh wow. Now we get to take this apart and find out. So I gotta unclip this, and now that I'm back here, I just remembered I need that other pick. I should have just stuck with that pick there. So, yeah, I gotta get this in, push that in. Oh, okay, so it's not super stiff in there. All right, roll that over. There you go, got it out. Okay, so what we're gonna have to do here is we're gonna have to count out to know which one we're sticking. First we gotta put this other sticky one up there, and we gotta push out that little rubber doohickey. You get me? No, you don't. So remember that wire you borrowed from your neighbor's house? You can go ahead and look on your plug and you can count 9 down, and you can push that grommet out. So when you push this through, you want to make sure that it's coming out right above where the blue or the black red wire is. And then you can go ahead and proceed to put this in. Finally is in there. You can see it's right here. It's in its place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh dear. That is not in. There we go. Holy smokeroonies. There, you see it? It's finally in there. My goodness, you have like special twisty and then putty. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 is in there finally. So we can put this cap on. Okay, like that, and then we can squirm this around and stick her in there. Where are you? All right, now I can just pull this back. I'm gonna tape another piece of tape here, right up here, and clean. Okay, then pull the remainder back through the wall, and we can start on the inside stuff that will be like a million times easier than this. All right, okay, so now we've got to get this panel out here. So we're going to pop up this one side, and notice notice you've got there you go, come on, a long way to go there. And then there's a couple of T20s. Pull up premium right before race wars, eh? All right, so let's pull these T20s. I'm trying not to move this. Oh, whoa. Easy does it. So you probably want to be careful. I think I just dropped it. I just dropped it. Yeah. Dirt bag. Oh, there it is. Maybe I should grab a magnet. That's not gonna end well for me. Well, at least I got one to put back in there. Apparently I'm not gonna have two. Maybe I'm just gonna have to, there you are, get this out. Oh man, this is great. I mean, realistically, I could make my life a lot easier by just, I mean, technically I could just take this off too. That's pretty clutch, but I could just go sloop. Maybe I'll just do that and make my life easier. Where's my clips? You don't really need to go this far. I'm making way too much work out of this because I don't want to turn this car on while I'm fiddling with electronics. Technically I should. Okay. All right. That's out. Somebody on the interweb's gonna be like, you don't have to do this. Yes, I know. Okay, so now that we've got all this stuff, we've got this run here. Where's my connector? There you are. There's my connector down here. So this is the power connector for your 12 volt. It's gone. It's gone. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug our connector. So it can only go one way. It can go either way. I'm gonna guess that this is the right way to do it. Uh-oh. No. Okay. Oh, that's the other way, isn't it? Yeah. So that's here. All right, so that's in. Now we just have to pop this little pig out here. Put in this one. Look at that. Look at how professional that looks. Okay, and then we can just hook this cable up here to it. Why am I doing it this way? Why not make it easier on myself and show you guys what I'm doing? Oh yeah, you're gonna plug it in like that. You're gonna connect it like this. Perfect. All right. Then we gotta run this yellow wire. Run you through there. Oh dear. What'd I take out? Oh, I wrecked my USB thing. No more. There. Okay. Now he's gonna run this around. Okay, dokey. So there's a couple things we're gonna do here. First, we're gonna wanna pop this open, accessing the wiring here. As you can see, now to access this switch, we're gonna push in and we're gonna pull that out, and we can just simply disconnect this. And to make our lives a little simpler, let's route it outside. So this here is the wire we're gonna go into. So let's get this wire around. I want to keep everything tucked up, and I'm not going to use those Scotch locks as I mentioned before. And I'm sure somebody's, you know what, you just do whatever makes you happy, okay? Be a free bird. Free bird. Tie that up after. That's right. Okay. Oh, happiest day of my life. Okay, so then I'm gonna cut this wire, strip it, and well. All right, so we're back in. We got the traction control button in. Let's turn this thing on. Oh dear. Not working. Why are you not working? What did I do wrong? Well, I may have to flash this. Shoot. No, put that in. Okay, so thanks for watching an unsuccessful video of Southdown Garage. Well, I don't mean unsuccessful. I mean, I had some snags. I guess that's also unsuccessful. But the key is we got in that button and I did test it. And I didn't show you the rest of the video and I apologize for that. But I was kind of pressed for time because, you know, I've been doing this video series. No excuses, my apologies. So we did get the button in there. I can't confirm that it was working because I think I have to program something. Tried programming with my snap-on scanner, that doesn't work. So I've got to look out for a friend that has the specific VDS, I think it is, for this car, and then I can make an updated video on how to set your car up so you can get your system working. Because now you got traction control in there, now you got to work it. And it's like, the thing says, well, 2014 and up, you'll probably have to code. Ha! Apparently 2012 too. Or if you have the absolute bare bones base model like I do, you might run into the same thing. If you like this video, hit that like button, consider subscribing, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any more content. If you'd like to let us know how we did, and remind me how I didn't meet up to your expectations, let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in more Volkswagen stuff, I do have a pretty cool series right now that we're in the midway of. Take a look at this video over here where we're installing an intake on our 2012 Jetta TDI. And take a look at this video over here where we go back to the dyno and see if there's more improvements we can make. Thank you guys for being a part of the family and showing your support by subscribing and watching the videos. And I hope to see you in another episode of Southdown Garage. Take care everyone and get outside and have some fun with your vehicle. Bye for now.